A lot of what you do in Word or any Microsoft Office program relates to file management. There's common tasks like opening, closing, saving, and printing documents. In Word 2010, you find these features on the File tab on the ribbon. The arrangement of commands here is called Backstage View, because this is where those behind-the-scenes tasks take place. Saving, opening and closing, starting a new document, and so on. The default view that you see is called Info, and the Info tab provides just that, information about the file you're working on, such as its size, number of words and pages, and when it was last changed. This view is also where you set permissions, get a document ready to share with others, and manage different versions that you might have saved. One thing you might be wondering, where did Word Options go? In earlier versions of Word, you clicked Options on the Tools menu. Now all these settings are part of Word Options, which you open when you click Options on the File menu. Here, you can choose how your document is displayed on screen, how Word automatically corrects and formats your text, the language and typography you use for your document, and other options for how you edit your document. You can also customize the ribbon in Word Options, choosing exactly what you want to appear. Before you share or publish your file, click the File menu and click Check for Issues. You can check the document for properties or information you don't want to share, check accessibility, and check for features that won't work in earlier versions of Word. We'll learn more about compatibility a little later in the course. When you're ready to share or publish your file, click Save and Send. You can send your document as an email attachment, save it to a SharePoint site, or publish it as a blog post. If you work on the go, you can also save your document to Windows Live SkyDrive. Once it's there, you can log on to SkyDrive using your Windows Live ID, and then view or edit your document from wherever you are. There's one other nifty tool to mention in the context of saving a document, and that is the Quick Access Toolbar. It contains features you use over and over every day. Save, undo, and repeat. You can also add your favorite commands to it so that they're available no matter what tab you're on. To customize the Quick Access Toolbar, click the arrow next to it, and then click the command you want to add, such as spelling and grammar. The button then appears on the Quick Access Toolbar. If you don't see the command you want, click More Commands. That's a brief introduction to Backstage View in the Quick Access Toolbar. Next up, let's see what's new with keyboard shortcuts in Word 2010.